Alright, we're going to look at a few similar looking examples, but kind of figure out how they're different and solve them differently in 2 steps. So in 2-step equations, this first one over here on the left, we think about, can we combine any like terms? Now our x is being divided by 2, we've got this plus 5, and so then we go, what's further away? So what's further away, this 2 or this 5? Yeah, it's that 5. So we're going to do the opposite of adding 5 to both sides, and subtract, bam. Let's flip this to green. So I still have, I'm going to bring down my x over 2, but I don't have any, I have a 0 now, so I don't need to write that. Same sign, so I'm going to add them and keep the sign. And then I do the opposite of x being divided by 2. So what's the opposite of x being divided by 2? Is my last one step is to multiply by 2 to both sides. Opposite signs of multiplying and dividing is always a negative, and I get negative 16. In the second equation, what's further away, the 5 or the 2? Well, now that 5 is still stuck in the same fraction on the numerator with that variable, so the 2 is further away. So now I'm going to get rid of the 2 first by multiplying by 2 on both sides. I'm still going to have this x plus 5. On the right side, I still have opposite signs when multiplying and dividing, so I still get negative. Now I'm going to just have a simple one-step equation where the opposite of adding is subtracting. So I get to subtract from both sides. And now I have same signs in adding and same signs in adding and subtracting. So I get to add them and keep the sign. Alright, go ahead and look at that last one and try to figure out how is it different. How is this third last one different? Well, now we do have like terms here on the same side. On the right side we have a 5 and a negative 3. So really we just get to combine them and make it 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then I have x divided by 2. So just like the first equation, I still am doing that step. I still am doing that times 2 step in every problem. But now I get to do it at the end. Just like that first one. Opposite of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2. Get to do it to both sides to balance. And x is equal to 4. So 3 similar looking problems, but 3 different answers.